Hello, everyone. We are on our way from Longyearbyen to Barentsburg, which is a Russian coal mine settlement south of Longyearbyen. And our cruise has been chosen to participate in a helicopter paramedic rescue training since we are the only cruise above 78° north. So, Norwegian Red Cross is basically um, using us for this training. And you see this rope falling down. There will be a paramedic coming onto the crew shortly. So this helicopter has been floating above us for the last 15-20 minutes, and that's been pretty cool. The temperature is around minus 30 degrees, and everybody is chilled, but we don't want to miss this wonderful experience. So really excited to see how this whole training works. It's so close, like it's right there, the helicopter hovering right above us. I believe there'll be two paramedics that will come down the cruise ship, and they're somehow supposed to pick up a patient too, so we'll see how this goes. There you see, the little green dot, there's a paramedic coming down vertical descent. Amazing. And now he's coming down horizontally. And lands safely. Wow, that was fun. There should be one more paramedic coming down in a second. It's such a beautiful day here. We're basically surrounded by polar ice and we're in the Arctic Ocean. So it's so beautiful out here. It's just too cold, so we're just trying to stay a little warm. Look at that view, so beautiful. And now we are waiting for the second paramedic to come down. There you go, vertical descent, and then he's going to come down horizontally next. And land safely. So that was the experience. I hope you guys had fun. I have a complete video of my trip to Barentsburg. Check that out. I think you're going to enjoy that. Till then, ciao.